Hi guys, this is Richard from the Stable Center, and today I'll be covering ICP. Full disclosure, I do own ICP, but nothing I say in this video is financial advice. In today's video, we'll start off with some bearish FUD on ICP. I'll quickly cover it and then quickly dismiss it. So according to this article by 99 Bitcoins, ICP may be facing some serious trouble. The article highlights its ongoing price decline, down 15% in the past month, and hovering near a critical $5 support level. Technical indicators like the RSI and MACD suggest weak momentum and bearish sentiment, and whilst the launch of its new AI platform, Caffeine, was a major tech move, it failed to boost investor confidence or price action. Despite a solid market cap of $2.73 billion and $70 million in daily volume, ICP is losing attention to newer, more hyped cryptocurrency projects. The article claims that if ICP breaks below its current support, it could face further downside and risk fading from relevance in a fast evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Okay, so these articles are typically what you want to see at major cycle bottoms. Let me explain. So I remember when I first started buying Chainlink at $6 for this current cryptocurrency market cycle. Back when Chainlink was trading at single digits, we had a barrage of good news happen for Chainlink, similar to ICP right now. I remember when staking first went live for Chainlink and the price of Chainlink ended up dumping to the downside. When Swift announced its partnership with Chainlink, I remember the price of Chainlink ended up dropping to new bear market lows. I also remember when CCIP, Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, first went live and the price of Chainlink continued to drop to the downside. So, when this article claims that Caffeine AI failed to boost investor confidence and price action, these authors of these articles are thinking too short term. As I said in previous videos, ICP remains one of the best asymmetric upside bets for a layer 1 chain that is currently priced for failure. And the truth of the matter is, while Ethereum is pioneering smart contracts, ICP is pushing boundaries and innovating with canister smart contracts, native Bitcoin integration, and chain key cryptography that eliminates the need for bridges. ICP still boasts 1,113 transactions per second, which is 68 times higher than Ethereum's 16.47 transactions per second, and a block time of just 0.48 seconds compared to Ethereum's 12 seconds. So, at least in my opinion, that doesn't sound like ICP is a failure of a cryptocurrency project. These metrics show that ICP in 2025 is significantly more scalable, efficient, and developer-friendly than Ethereum was in 2017, yet it remains undervalued with a market cap of under $3 billion. This makes ICP a strong candidate for asymmetric upside, just like Ethereum before its breakout. Now, moving over to TradingView to cover the Elliott Wave count, nothing has changed from the last video. As you can see in the text box, the trading idea is quite simple. ICP formed a 5-wave impulse off the bear market low in 2023 for white wave A, followed by a 3-wave pullback in white wave B that hopefully bottomed at the white 1-to-1 trend-based fib extension at $4.34. So to measure white wave C, we will use more trend-based fib extensions. So long as ICP continues to stay above $2.83, I am expecting ICP to rally to new bull market highs to at least $30.99 to $40.21. If ICP blasts past those levels, the next targets are between the white 1.618 to 1.786 trend-based fib extensions between $106.87 to $149.63. And by some miracle, if we get super lucky, the last price targets are between the white 2.272 to 2.414 trend-based fib extensions located between $396.13 to $526.48. So let's actually zoom into the shorter term timeframes. So the best way I can interpret the move off the April 2025 low is a potential leading diagonal structure forming, which is a very low confidence setup. We have a three-wave move up for white wave A, white wave B unfolded as an ABCDE Elliott wave triangle, and now we can be potentially looking for a bullish wave C expansion to at least, let's use some trend-based fib extension tools to measure out our white wave C target. One potential target for white wave C is the one-to-one extension at around $7.46. Another potential target would be the 1 to 1.618 trend-based fib extension, which is currently located at $9.62. So those are some potential price targets for white wave C. Once again, shorter term trade setups are extremely fragile. And once again, this is a very low confidence setup. You don't really hear me say that very often, but I know a lot of people are intrigued with shorter term price action these days. Now, if we zoom in once again to the 5-minute time frame, we can see a confluence of Fibonacci levels. Let me draw those out really quickly. So I'll take a Fibonacci retracement from the Friday low before Jerome Powell's speech up to the very top, draw the 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, and then take a one-to-one extension. As you can see, price is currently finding support at the white one-to-one trend-based fib extension, as well as the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So the local low could definitely be in, but once again, trade setups on the 5-minute time frame are even more unreliable. But for me personally, I did add on to my ICP position at $5.20 this morning. And like I said before, I will continue to add on to my ICP position every week, so long as ICP is trading within our blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $4.34 to $6.08. So let's actually move into some indicators, starting with market cipher B on the weekly time frame. So mixed signals here on the weekly time frame. Just a quick refresher, the blue waves are the momentum waves, the green and red waves are the money flow waves, and the red and green dots on the blue momentum waves are sell and buy signals respectively. We do have a confirmed sell signal on the weekly time frame, which I have to be honest with you is not that great. The weekly money flow, which is still thick in the red, does not look that bullish at all. The only bullish indicator on market cipher B that I can see is that the blue momentum waves are forming higher lows. This is the only piece of bullish hopium on market cipher B that I'm clinging onto, that eventually during this cryptocurrency bull market, we will see ICP have some sort of rally to at least $30 and hopefully a lot more than that. I know what I just said for the past 30 seconds may not be super bullish and what you want to hear, but I'm just being objective and honest. But truth be told, even if things do get a bit bearish, it still gives us more opportunities to stack ICP. So that's the silver lining right there. So let's close this video off by taking a look at the ICP against Bitcoin valuation. So we can see that the ICP against Bitcoin valuation is also trading at the all-important 1.618 to 1.786 golden ratio, which once again is an ideal area for a bullish reversal. However, with Bitcoin dominance puking to the downside, ICP has not rallied, which is a little bit concerning, to be completely honest with you. All we can do now as ICP holders right now is to hope and pray that whales step in and start purchasing ICP. Like I said, taking a look at both the ICP against US dollar valuation and the ICP against Bitcoin valuation, both charts are sitting at golden windows between derivatives of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So it's an ideal area for a reversal, but no bullish reaction so far. For me, like I said, I am still dollar cost averaging into ICP every week, and it will remain that way so long as our blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spins between $4.34 to $6.08 continues to hold as support. Okay, that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.